You're watching the current eruption of Kilauea Volcano on the big island of Hawaii. This is the most active volcano on Earth. It's been continuously erupting since 1983. But since 2018, when I was able to hop on a helicopter without doors and hover over the crater, there wasn't any surface lava flow as the one right now. Also amazing spectacle is to see when the lava pours directly into the ocean, and in green here you can see the new land created, and as well the fog, that is a thick fog created by that chemical reactions that is toxic to humans. Kilauea Volcano is part of Volcano National Park, part of the national park system. Protected, monitored and guarded by the scientists. The majority of the flows is under the surface of the ocean. That's why this rare event has been closely watched by the locals and geologists from around the world. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.